Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to create a get ready with me video and also doing a Q&A where I am going to be answering questions that y'all left me on my Instagram story. Y'all did leave me some great questions and I'm just so excited to share with you guys. This is what I came up with, so hopefully you guys get some great tips. I'm not really going to talk about the makeup products that I am using on this video, but you can certainly find it down below in my description box. Also, if you haven't noticed, I am wearing braces. If you haven't watched my recent video, I do talk about my whole day experience, if they'd hurt or anything like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this video. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get started with this video. I'm gonna start off by prepping the eyes. First question that I have here is, what made you start a YouTube channel? Basically, as a freelance makeup artist, I would always get asked, you know, oh, do you have a YouTube channel? I would always say no. One thing was people would ask me if I did any makeup classes, and I think that's where the idea started. I remember my first one was a Valentine's video, and I'm not gonna lie you guys, if I had I think it was like the Microsoft laptops, and it just took forever to create a video on, you know, on that laptop, and I just remember being so frustrated. So I ended up creating that video, which I will link it up here on my description box, my first video, and it was a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I was very shocked that it hit 1,000 views, which I didn't, and that's the funny part about starting a YouTube channel. You just don't know if people are going to be interested in watching your videos or if you're going to be getting subscribers. But honestly, you guys, a lot of people love watching YouTube videos, and I was one of them, so that's how I also got motivated into creating a YouTube channel. I am going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I just don't know what eye look I'm going to go to. It's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial on my YouTube channel, and it is a challenge to kind of talk while doing my makeup, so I'm going to try my best. So hopefully you guys keep up with it. This question is, are you currently accepting makeup appointments? For those of you that don't follow me on Instagram, I am a freelance makeup artist here in Dallas. Basically, had to put the makeup artistry on the side just because I recently had a baby. He is currently 5 months old, and I do have a toddler that is 2 years old. And I'm not gonna lie you guys, they keep me extremely busy. This year, I am opening my calendar, but I am only accepting a few appointments. I do wanna be able to be at home, spend time with my kids. So yes, I am accepting makeup appointments, but only on certain dates. Next question is, any tips on becoming a makeup artist? My advice into becoming a makeup artist is practicing on your makeup skills. Take any classes. I know there's a lot of makeup artists out there that do one-on-one classes, which is very helpful. Another thing that was helpful for me and the way I started was YouTube. How I started becoming a makeup artist was very random. I actually started liking makeup the year of my wedding. I did have a professional makeup artist, and as soon as she did my makeup, at first I was very scared because I didn't wear a lot of makeup back then, but just seeing everybody's compliments, how it looked in pictures, made me really love makeup. After my wedding, that's when I got into it. I started to buy all these makeup products. I started doing my makeup at home, watching YouTube videos. Before I started doing makeup on clients, I would practice on myself, on my sisters, my nieces. They were like my go-to models, you know, to do makeup. And that's how I started to learn a little bit at a time. But as far as becoming a makeup artist, it just takes a lot of practice, just posting your work on social media so that people can actually see your work. The next question is, do I work or am I a stay-at-home mom? I currently work at the moment. A lot of people think that makeup is my only job, but I do have a Monday through Friday job, and makeup is basically done on the weekends. I am not a stay-at-home mom, which I don't know why people always think I am, but I do currently work. And as far as YouTube, I do work on my YouTube channel whenever I have a chance to work on it, on my videos. You guys, having a YouTube channel is very hard. It is like a lot of work because I do work full-time. It's very hard to create enough videos, but I am trying my best to be consistent with it since I do work. I want to be a stay-at-home mom. I wouldn't mind it, but I like to work. I've always worked. What are my top 3 makeup products I can't live without? That is very hard. I wouldn't know because I have to have a full face of makeup. I would have to say concealer because I have dark circles and they are very bad. It's heredity for me. I've always had dark circles ever since I was little. Maybe lipstick. Another product would be eyeliner because I like to always wear eyeliner on top. So I think my 3 top makeup products that I can't live without is concealer, lipstick, and eyeliner. Question is favorite stores to shop. I have so many stores that I love to go to. My favorite one would have to be TJ Maxx. I just love going to that store. I'm always finding amazing things that I actually need for myself, for my kids, for my husband. Ulta, of course, Sephora for makeup. I like to shop at Old Navy for my kids. I love the outfits that they have right now at Old Navy. And for home stuff, I love Target and Home Goods. So yeah, I have a lot of stores that I like to shop at. What foundation do you recommend for oily skin? And honestly, you guys, I don't like recommending products because sometimes it doesn't work. But I recommend 2 foundations for oily skin, and that's because I use those all the time for my clients when they let me know that they have oily skin. It would be the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation and the Makeup Forever HD Foundation. You guys, this is such a challenging video, like talking through, just talking while doing my makeup is very hard, you guys. Next question is, do y'all plan on having more kids? If so, how many? We actually would like to maybe have 1 more. I don't know. I love my baby so much that sometimes I don't even know if I want 1 more or 2 more. I do have a big family, so that is the reason why I would love to have more kids. My mom had 5 of us, nothing but girls. I don't have brothers, you guys. Can you believe that? This was a conversation we had the other day, was if we were gonna wanna have more kids in the future. We would love to have maybe 1 more, but at this moment, we don't wanna have 1 yet. But if God blesses us with another one soon, you know, of course, we're gonna be so happy. But this baby is going to be the tiebreaker because I do have a little girl and a little boy. So a lot of people ask me, would you want another girl or another boy? And honestly, I would want another boy. But it's all in God's hands, so that's all I'm gonna say. So I already went ahead and added a little bit of eyeshadow under the eye. And next, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes. And I am gonna be using lashes from Ariana Basurto. She is a makeup artist in Dallas, and she created her own lash line. And these right here, they are called Val, which are my favorite. I am gonna get a second pair soon, but I just wanted to put it out there because she is an amazing person. She was actually the one that inspired me also to become a makeup artist. I remember messaging her on Instagram when I wanted to start doing makeup on other people, and she was also starting to do makeup on clients as well. And she was so nice enough, gave me the best advice, and because of her, that is the reason why I also had the guts to become a makeup artist. And she actually took me to one of her makeup appointments to kind of get tips and things like that, how to interact with clients. And I thought that was so amazing and so thoughtful of her that I was very glad that she was nice enough to do that. So Ariana, if you are watching this YouTube channel, congratulations on your lash line, and just want to let you know you're an amazing and inspiring makeup artist. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing amazing. You're an amazing makeup artist, and I'm just so happy for you. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these babies on and I will get back. Alrighty, lashes are on, and then I'm just gonna be adding a little bit of highlight on the inner corners right here. And then I'm gonna add a little bit on the brow bone. Next question is best advice on having a second baby. I really don't have a best advice because, you know, people can handle it differently. We've been so lucky with our second baby because he's been a great baby. We haven't had any issues. And not only that, I guess once having a baby, you know what to expect for your next baby. I do have my kids 19 months apart. It is a challenge. It's not easy, but you will find that routine and you'll make it happen, make it work for both of your kids. We've been handling it very well, I believe. I'm not gonna say we're like the best parents, but it is a little bit of a challenge, and just having the patience with both of your kids, I think everything would be okay. And I think that is it for all of the questions. Those were some good questions. I'm very happy that some of you had the time to leave me a message or a question, I mean. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my lips with my lip liner and lipstick, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, so we are done with the makeup. This is what I came up with. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.